Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply, back again with another What's in the Box on Pentair's Clean and Clear 50 and 100 square foot style lid for the filter. Stay tuned and we'll show you guys what comes in the box. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, I've got Pentair's Clean and Clear lid for their filter. This works for both the 50 square foot model as well as the 100 square foot model. So part number is located right here in the front again for you guys, just in case, 178533. We'll have the links in the description down below for you guys, so you guys can come check it out directly on the website or in store. So I really like that they give you a giant box with some cool bubble wrap here on top of the filter top, but it works for, again, that 50 square foot style as well as that 100 square foot style. If you guys got a 150, it does take a different lid. So you do want to make sure that you guys check out the part diagrams that we got available on the website for you. But again, part number 178553. It's just fully decked out with all of their logos on here. It's got all the stickers, all the important maintenance instructions on cleaning those filters. Typically, these filters are smaller. They're meant for really, really tiny bodies of water. If you've got a pond, a small pond, or if you've got a fountain of some kinds, that's typically what you'll want to use that for. If you're trying to do any other type of bigger filtration, you want to go into their 420 style or their 520 style in order to actually move a lot of water. I would never recommend putting a 50 or a 100 on your pool, just because you're going to have to clean it about every 3 days. So to avoid that, definitely use this for a smaller body of water. Again, if you want more information, check out those links down in the description. It's pretty straightforward. It's just a lid. You don't get any type of O-ring, no pressure gauges, no reliefs, any other pieces with it. It does have the serial sticker letting you know, again, that it is a true Pentair part. We only sell OEM items, so that's the number one key right there, is making sure that it works with your equipment. So again, just want to show you guys what comes in the box and show you guys what comes included for this part number for the Clean and Clear 50 or 100. So really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Till then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.